Today, I'm making slime videos that progressively get more satisfying as the video goes on. We're gonna start at level 1 and then go all the way to level 8. You don't wanna miss our last level. Level 1 is Tiny Mic ASMR. We have a beautiful baby axolotl slime and our tiny mic. We're gonna poke that thing in there, but listen, this set ain't gonna cut it. So we have our lights, we got our camera now. We're just gonna plug in this tiny mic. Also, if you noticed, our slime is stylized just absolutely perfect by yours truly. Thank you very much. So we have our setup now. The lighting is on point, our angle is on point. We're ready for some ASMR. Let's just get right into it. For our next one, we're gonna use De-Stresso, which is at peachybbies.com. And I wanna use this because it has a different texture, so it should sound a little bit different than our previous slime. This is our Froggy Pond clay kit, and I'm excited for this one because this one is a clear slime with just a little bit of a clay lily pad. It's very cute, and I don't know what sound it's gonna make. Level 1 was pretty satisfying, but I think level 2 is gonna be a lot better. So we have a new setup here. We got a thing of clear slime, and I saw this clip online where these people would like push their hand in and then they like film the side and you can see them like pushing stuff down. I found this really cool gold glitter, so I'm gonna cover the top of this and then push it down, and I think that will be pretty satisfying. So let's pour this baby in. All right, we'll cover that thing up. All right, perfect. All right, cue the satisfaction. The glitter, pretty satisfying, but you know what would be even better? Rainbow beads. We're only at level 3, and listen, are you satisfied? Because I'm not. We're gonna be doing the dried out slime. These are super popular across the internet today, like push their hand in and it's like all dry and underneath the slime is all perfect. That dried out slime actually worked out pretty good, but level 4, we're gonna go with 100% slime cake. So no clay, we're using cloud dough. So I have 6 different cloud dough colors. I have these little cookie cutters and we're gonna go 18 layer cake. We need to do 3 of each color. Let's just get into it. Now that we have all of our cake pieces cut out, we have our cake wheel. That's how you know it's serious here at Peachybbies. Let's just assemble this thing together. It already looks really cool. This is thick and glossy slime, literally just white glue and it's just activated. I thought maybe it'd be cool if it like covers this whole thing and then I can like cut it and then it reveals the cake. I don't know if it's gonna work, but we're gonna find out. I'm gonna actually create like almost like a tiny spout. There's no going back now. All right, we are gonna cut this cake now. 3, 2, 1. All right, so I have it down the middle, so maybe we'll just kind of... Wait, what? Where's the layers? Maybe with clay it would look a lot better. I'm defeated. Let's just move on to the next one. Level 4, we kind of failed at that one, but that's okay. Level 5, it's a surefire win. We're gonna do the tennis racket ASMR. So I have 3 different colored slimes that we're just gonna kind of go and you kind of just basically like put a tennis racket over it and it just like pulls it up and then it like puts a bunch of air in it. It's pretty simple. Time to go for it. We got our 3 colors. Oh, look at that. That is sick. All right, let's pull it up. Whoa. And then now if you supposedly you grab it and then wait, listen to this ASMR. Dude, that one's pretty darn satisfying. I have to say for level 5, that is pretty great. Level 5 went super well, so we're gonna go with level 6, clay covered in nail polish. If you cover it, it essentially just creates this really cool like cracking ASMR noise, kind of like back to level 1. I have 3 of these like domes, and I do have this cube, and the reason why you guys are like, oh, don't comment being like, hey, why is it so small? Like, why didn't you do a bigger one? Well, I tried to do a bigger one, and it was just becoming a real big pain in the butt. Even though I got this this really cool like clay gradient. So I don't know if you want to, I'll crack this one so you guys can see it. That's satisfying. So yeah, that's kind of the vibe of what I want to go for. So let's give it a go at level 6. Level 7, we have this really cool chrome cube made out of clay. So I want to kind of cut it into little pieces and then douse it in a bunch of clear slime because that just looks really cool. Let's just give it a go. Finally, we've made it to level 8. This is gonna be the most satisfying that the world has ever seen. We're gonna do 3 different slime pours. We're gonna do this color shifting pigment. This slime looks so cool. Depending on the way the light hits it, it looks like orange or like blue or even like purple. So this one's gonna look amazing. Let's just do this slime pour. Dan is being the pouring and I'm gonna be the filmer. So roles reversed. Oh, that is so sick. Look at that. So this one was awesome. What would you guys name this cool reflective slime? Let's go on to the next one. For our second slime pour, I want to combine these 4 colors into a really cool marble effect. And they're just like a thick and glossy, nothing too crazy to it. So they should pour really well. So yeah, let's just get cracking. Finally, level 8, this is what you guys have been waiting for. We made a rainbow slime. So these are 6 individual colored slimes that I put together yesterday. This is a jelly slime. It looks so cool. Like literally just looking at it, it is satisfying. So I can't wait to see what it looks like when we pour it. The reason why we don't do this that much is because it's literally, you have to make 6 individually colored slimes and you can kind of tell that the colors bleed a little bit. So it's only been sitting for a day, but I bet you if we left this here for a week, literally there'd be this really cool gradient. Let's finally pour this thing. Okay, it looks like I'm looking at like a CG object. Oh my goodness. That is unreal. That looks so cool. Comment below which one you think was the most satisfying and make sure you like the video and we'll see you in the next one.